Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn Unit 1 Software Architecture as per RGPV syllabus. We will cover what is software development lifecycle, different SDLC models, what is software architecture, major architecture patterns, and architecture business cycle. So let's start. What is SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle? SDLC means the Software Development Lifecycle. It is a step by step process that defines how software is planned, built, tested, and maintained. Think of it as a roadmap for developers so that the final software meets user expectations and quality standards. Step 1, Planning and Requirement Analysis. Decide what the software should be, study feasibility, and identify risk. Step 2, Define requirement. Create the software requirement specification or SRS. It listed all features and functional needed. Step 3, Design stage. Architectures prepare blueprint or software design, how components will interact. Step 4, Development. Programmers start coding the system using proper languages and frameworks. Step 5, Testing. Check the software for errors or bugs and fix them. Step 6, Release and maintenance. After testing, release the software and keep improving it with updates. So, in short, plan, design, build, test, deliver, and maintain. These are the six basic steps of SDLC. Major SDLC models. Different companies follow different models. Let's quickly go through the famous ones. First, waterfall model. Step by step, linear flow, easy to manage but not flexible. Second, waterfall model includes testing at every stage, good for small project. Iterative model. Software improves with every version of iterations. Spiral model focuses on risk management, ideal for large project. Fifth one, agile model works in short cycles, allows quick feedback and continuous improvement. Simple rule, choose the model based on project size, time, and feasibility needed. What is software architecture? Software architecture is the blueprint of a system. It defines how all the pieces or components fit together and communicate. Just like an architect designed the map of a building, a software architect designed the structure of a program. Key elements included system architecture, component relationship, communication methods, stakeholder and team coordinations, early design decision that shape development. Evolution of software architecture. In the beginning, all software was monolithic, everything in one big block. Then came client server architecture, where the client frontend send requests and the server backend process them. Later, three-tier architecture added one more layer. First, presentation layer, second, application layer, third, database. Today, systems uses microservers and cloud-based pattern for more scalability and flexibility. Software component and connectors. Let's understand two important terms, components and connectors. Components are independent modules that perform specific functions. For example, a logic service or a data processing model. Connectors are the bridge between those components like APIs, message queue, or database connector. So remember, components do the work and connectors connect the work. Popular architecture pattern. Now let's explore some common architecture pattern. Layered and tier. Code divides into layers, presentation, business, application, and data. Easy to maintain but can be complex if layers are too many. Second, client server. Server manage data, client request it. Used in Gmail, Netflix, etc. Third, event driven. System react to events like when you click sign up on Facebook. Microkernel has a core system and plug in for extra features. Microservices, multiple small independent services forming one application. Sixth, space based cloud handles heavy traffic using distributed memory systems. 7. Master slave. One master assign tasks, slave execute them in parallel. 8. Pipe filter. Data flowing through filters, each doing one task used in compilers and data pipeline. Broker. A middleman route request between client and servers used in messaging systems. Peer to peer. No central server, all nodes share data like a blockchain or torrents. This pattern helps engineers choose the right structure for scalability, speed, and maintainability. Architecture business cycle ABC. Now let's talk about the architecture business cycle. It says that architecture is influenced by technical, business, and social factors. And once the architecture is built, it also affects those same factors. Example, company goals and user needs shape the design. But once the system is successful, it can also change the company's future, goal, and strategies. In short, business impact architecture and architecture impact business. Software process and architectural activities. The process of building architecture involves seven key activities. Create the business cases, understand goal, cost, and market, understanding requirements, gather inputs from stakeholders, create or select architecture, ensure conceptual integrity, document and communicate so everyone on the team understand it, analyze or evaluate, use ATAM or CBAM to test architectural quality, implement the system, develop based on architecture, ensure competence, make sure the actual system matches the design. So, to wrap up, SDLC defines how we build software. Architecture defines how it's structured. Choosing the right pattern ensures scalability, maintainability, and performance. And the architecture business cycle reminds us that every design decision impacts the business too. That's all for Unit 1 Software Architecture. I hope this video helped you understand the key concept early and clearly. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next unit. See you in the next video.